It's all official. Android Headlines is back with 75 official Samsung Galaxy S25 series images. With the Galaxy S25 series launch just around the corner, Android Headlines has dropped yet another major leak. This time, they managed to obtain 75 official images showcasing Samsung's highly anticipated flagship lineup. I'll walk you through every single photo in just a moment, but first, let's discuss some key details. According to Android Headlines, while the exact names of these colors aren't confirmed, trusted sources have provided some clues. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are showcased in ice blue, mint navy, and silver shadow. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, well, that phone has different names for its color options. You can check out the device in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver colors. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus share an identical design. Size is the only notable difference. The standard Galaxy S25 comes with a smaller display compared to the S25 Plus. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces subtle changes, particularly with its corner curvature. But that's not all. The Ultra model features a unique camera setup, resulting in more noticeable rear camera protrusions compared to the other two. Across the board, all three models sport flat displays, flat backplates, and a flat frame, though the frame curves slightly at the edges. A key design change this year lies in the camera modules. Viewed from the side, you'll notice the top part of the module is wider than the bottom, something that might make dust accumulation easier. Additionally, Samsung plans to offer online exclusive colors for all models. These options will be available exclusively through Samsung's official website and are unlikely to surface before the launch, as retailers won't have access to them for leaks. I'll walk you through every single photo. Here's something very important. Samsung is offering $50 in free credits and a chance to win a $5,000 grand prize, just for reserving your spot for the Galaxy S25 series. Pre-reserving the Galaxy S25 gives you $50 in Samsung credits, a $900 trade-in credit, and an extra $300 instant credit. Plus, you'll have a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung gift card. So reserve now, link is in description. Now let's see all the photos one by one while enjoying the music.
I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again.
What do you think about these new official images? I'd love to know your thoughts on this. Comment below. Now let's talk about some previous news. It's now virtually confirmed that Samsung's upcoming flagship series, the Galaxy S25 lineup, will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This comes as a relief to those wary of Exynos processors due to concerns over performance discrepancies. Although leaks strongly hinted at this, there hadn't been any official confirmation until now. Samsung announced the date for its next Galaxy Unpacked event, where it will unveil the Galaxy S25 series. The company also shared the news on X, and Qualcomm's official Snapdragon account reposted it with the caption, "See you there." This all but confirms that Snapdragon processors will be at the heart of the Galaxy S25 lineup. While the exact Snapdragon model hasn't been confirmed yet, the likely choice is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, or possibly a custom for Galaxy variant, which could deliver even better performance. Now let's talk about the impressive Galaxy S25 Ultra performance gains that has been revealed by a leaker. Performance is a key factor for flagship smartphones, and if the latest leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will deliver in spades. While most details about the phones have been leaked, concerns about overheating with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor remain a question mark until now. Early reports suggested overheating issues with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, especially for devices using an overclocked version, which the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature. However, tipster Ahmed Quader claims that Samsung has addressed these concerns. According to him, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast performance improvements of 38% over the Galaxy S24 Ultra, including 34% faster graphics and a 43% better NPU, ensuring a smooth and powerful experience. Equally impressive is the phone's upgraded cooling system, which is said to provide a 42% higher cooling rate compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means potential buyers can rest assured that overheating won't be an issue. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. Samsung has dropped the official Unpacked teasers for the Galaxy S25 series. Let's check out the teasers first.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
Samsung has confirmed that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 22 January 2025 in San Jose, California. At this event, the company will unveil the Galaxy S25 series. The lineup will include at least 3 devices: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. There's also talk of a 4th model, the Galaxy S25 Slim, which might launch a few months later. Samsung also teased the next evolution of Galaxy AI, calling it more natural and intuitive, promising to change how Galaxy users interact with the world. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.